Hey, good morning. How are you guys? Today I want to talk about tax planning. What tax planning is. Because a lot of folks have the wrong idea as to what it is, so I'm here to clarify, answer all your questions. So to explain what it is, I'm going to give you 3 points. The first one is tax planning is you using your taxable income in a tax advantageous way. What do I mean? And I'm going to give you a clear example to let you see what I mean. So the example is when you are single, your standard deduction is less than a person who is married or a person who has children. So right there in the tax code, it tells you that if you are married, you get more deductions. So your taxable income has already been reduced just by your filing status. So that's the most obvious. Now, the tax code, it literally outlines how not to pay taxes. What you can do, there are loopholes, there are credits that you get, some of them are refundable, some of them are non-refundable, and all you have to do is position yourself to be able to claim those credits and deductions. The next one is tax planning is a chosen lifestyle. So when you think about tax planning, it's not just about your business. It's about how you see yourself in the future, how you plan to retire. It's about exploring options on certain types of insurance. It's your entire lifestyle, how you want your kids to grow up, the type of wealth that you want to leave for them. It's not just looking at purchases for your business. It's not just looking at what credits you can get within the business. Tax planning is a holistic approach to both your business and your personal life. So it takes everything into consideration. Whether you're married, whether you're planning to get married, whether you're planning to get a divorce, whether you're planning to sell a house, whether you want to invest in retirement accounts, it is so, whether you want to change your business entity structure, all of that is tax planning. So it's not just, okay, I want to reduce my taxes, but I'm just focusing on the business. No, it's a holistic approach. And finally, the third point to explain what tax planning is building wealth. A lot of people don't tell you that tax planning is building wealth. Yes, it is. Why? Just as the point that I mentioned before, it's a lifestyle. When you use your tax planning strategies, when you get together with your accountant, they come together and give you a custom plan based on where you're at, based on where you want to go, based on where you're at. You see that you can go. They help you to position yourself with that plan, with the implementation of that plan. So if you want to build wealth, if you want to acquire some passive income, tax planning is great. You may not know where you're going to get the first investment funds to do it. If you want to do that, then I recommend you start tax planning. If you want to get your kids on the journey to become millionaires or to have a couple $100,000 by the time they are adults, then I recommend tax planning. If you want to start, building a legacy, tax planning. Why? As I mentioned in the beginning, this is you taking your taxable income and putting it somewhere else. This is not necessarily you recreating streams of income to collect money. Yes, you may be able to collect money depending on the strategies that you use, But if you already have money that will probably go to Uncle Sam anyways, might as well you use it for something that will build you wealth. And I mean wealth as in not just a couple $1 million, but wealth as in asset generating, revenue generating assets within 20 to 30 years. That's what I mean. So that's what tax planning is. It's using your taxable income to basically predict what your life is gonna look like in a legal way. It's choosing the type of lifestyle that you want, and it's also helping you to build wealth. I hope that answers a lot of your questions, and if you do have additional questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out to me. Have a good day.